what I take, it's fairly well known. I take Resveratrol. I've done that for, I think, close to 15 years, a gram in the morning. I take NMN, which is an NAD booster, which we've shown in my lab and many others have shown improves health and resilience. We have a lifespan study that we'll talk about later. It's not yet finished, but it looks promising. On a semi-regular basis, I do take metformin. I do believe that those tens of thousands of people who take metformin are actually healthier and are living longer than those who don't. So those are the main ones. I think in lifestyle, you should eat less often. I'm now down to, on most days, eating one meal a day. I have dinner, and the rest is just cups of tea and coffee. I work out. I try to maintain my muscle mass. I'm now 50, almost 52. I'm trying to make sure that I don't lose my muscle mass. If anything, I'm gaining that.
Yeah.
And so those are the main recipes. Reduce stress, also get decent sleep is helpful as well. I've talked about the reprogramming work. That is one that I think is going to make a big difference. There's lots of labs now. Nobel Prize winners are now working on this as well. There's a lot of money being pumped into that area. The ability to measure age accurately has really taken off. That was discovered back in 2012, but now it's routine. You can even have yourself tested now. And we have clocks for a whole variety of tissues in mouse and human. And other clocks as well, I should mention. Going back 10 years ago, even 4 years ago, we didn't have these clocks. All we could do is say, yeah, that person looks old. That's pretty pathetic, right? Well, that person is frail. Now we have these measures, and there's a variety of clocks I won't go into. Another advance in the aging field would be the senolytics, the ability to delete senescent cells in mouse and now in humans, which is super exciting. There's new peptides, small proteins that are circulating through the blood that look drug-like, are going into clinical trials now. Alevion is one of those companies. And there are lots of others that have been discovered that seem to have benefits. Cobar, in full disclosure, I'm on the advisory board of that company. They have a peptide that looks good for metabolic diseases. So these have all happened very recently. And I think autophagy has now it's been shown by Anna Maria Cuervo, that she can extend the lifespan of mice by activating chaperone-mediated autophagy, or CMA, clearing out the proteins that are misfolded in the body or damaged. And all of these together, I think, are collectively a revolution in our ability to not just understand why we age, but also how to slow it down and reverse that process.